Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Right now in the Arab world, in the Gulf countries, it's really hot, it's extremely hot, and the temperature rises up to 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, and it's like unbearable outside. So during these months like July, August, and September, people cannot go out because of so much of extreme heat from around 11 a.m. to until around 3 to 4 p.m. And during this time, even the birds and the animals, they also suffer, and people get thirsty. So you can see this man, he is putting water in between two rocks so that any birds or animals or insects can come and drink water. Subhanallah, what an amazing good deed it is. And you can see he has also put rice or some sort of beans so that the birds can come and eat it, and he has put some floatable objects inside the two rocks where he has put the water so that they can land there, they can sit there and drink the water. Subhanallah, it's an amazing good deed. My beloved brothers and sisters, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the best charity is to give water. And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, giving food or drinks or water to any living being is rewarded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So try your best to do something for the people, for the animal, for the birds, or any living creature. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you, will shower mercy on you, will increase your sustenance, and Allah will give barakah in your life.
Help us build an Islamic studio at www.islamicstudio.org, link in the description.